Hi guys, welcome to Excel and MathSci. So today what we'll be doing, we'll be looking at how to simplify fractions. Okay, let's look at the first one. Now, at the top number we have the 12 and at the bottom we have 14. Now, in order to simplify the fraction, we must find a common factor or a number that would divide into 12 and 14 exactly. So the number that we can divide into 12 and 14 would be 2. So we divide the top and the bottom by 2. That would give us, so 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. And 14 divided by 2 will give me 7. So that is simplified into 6 over 7. Let's look at the next one. So we have 15 divided by 21. Now, the number that would go into both of them, that would divide into 15 and 21, is 3. So we can divide the top and the bottom by 3. So if we do that, 15 divided by 3 would give me 5. 21 divided by 3 would give me 7. And that would be our final answer for that one. Because we can't simplify any further, because there's no common factor other than 1 between 5 and 7. Now let's have a wee look at this one. 18 and 36, they're both even numbers. You can always start with the smallest number, the smallest even number, which is 2. And eventually you'll arrive at the correct answer. So dividing by 2, so 18 divided by 2 will give me 9 over 18. Now 9 and 18 can both be divided by 3. So now we're going to be dividing both of these, top and bottom. We divide by 3. Then we would get, now 9 divided by 3 would give me 3, and so 18 divided by 3 would give me 6. But then again, I can simplify that further. So what I can do, I can go ahead and divide that by 3 again. Divide it by 3 again. Now this will give me 1 over 2. So that would be my final answer. Okay guys, let's look at another set. So we've got 27 divided by 72. So what we can do, we can just start with the smallest number. Well, I'll start with 3 because 2 won't go into 27. Okay, so we'll start with 3, the smallest number. Then I would get, so 3 divided by 27 would give me 9. And 72 divided by 3 would give me 24. Okay, now I've got 9 over 24. So the next number I'm going to choose, once again, it will be 3 again. Okay, so we divide the top and the bottom by 3. And then we get 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. So my final answer would be 3 over 8, because there's no common factor other than 1 between 3 and 8. Let's look at the next set. 16 over 48. And let's start by dividing by 4. Okay, so 16 divided by 4 will simply give me 4 over, so that will give me 12, because 48 divided by 4 gives me 12. So once again, I can divide by 4 again. Divide by 4 again. Why? Because 12 divided by 4 will give me 3. So that will give me 3. 4 divided by 4 will give me 1. So that's 1 over 3. And this last one, 42 divided by 54, what are we going to do? We're going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. And that would give me, so 42 divided by 2 would give me 21. And 54 divided by 2 would give me 27. Now once again, there is a common factor between the two. They both come in the 3 times table, so I can divide the top and the bottom by 3. And if I do that, that means 21 divided by 3 would give me 7, because 3 times 7 gives me 21. And 27 divided by 3 would give me 9. So, hope this helps. Thank you for watching these videos.